Hello there. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this particular Arno Bernard titanium folding knife. The Arno Bernard brand is manufactured in Bethlehem, South Africa, and they say that their knife designs are actually influenced by the wildlife of Africa. Typically, they manufacture fixed blades, while this one is one of their rarer folding knives. It's actually the first of its kind. It's a titanium handled knife with blue anodized accents, and the button lock and thumb stud both have light blue Swarovski crystals which go along with the blue accented grooves here. This is 7.5 inches overall length. The blade is 3.25 inches, and it's made of S35VN stainless steel. And it's got a satin finish, as you can see there. It's a really beautiful knife. Very sharp. Has a titanium pocket clip. Now this particular knife has been handled a bit, so you can see there are some scuff marks along it. This knife is listed on eBay, and if you are interested in this knife, feel free to go ahead and purchase this. Thank you for watching.